Hey guys, if you're getting this error while turning on Burp Suite Interception on Firefox FoxyProxy extension, you're at the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. So, let's get started. First, click on the Advanced option. Scroll down and click on View Certificate. Now, click this Download option to download the PEM certificate. Once the download is complete, click the three bars in the top right corner. Then, go to Settings. In the search bar, type Certificate. Now, click View Certificate. Here, click on Import, then select the certificate we downloaded earlier and double-click to open it. Make sure to check both options and then click OK. And OK again. Now, let's restart the browser. After restarting, go to the FoxyProxy extension and turn it on for Burp Suite. Then, open Burp Suite and enable Intercept on. Now open Google Search and you'll see Burp Suite is intercepting the websites. That means FoxyProxy is working perfectly. And that's it. We've successfully solved the issue just by installing the PEM certificate. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.